Okay, good morning.
Hello.
We decided to do a road trip today, it's our last full day here in Hawaii, but we realised it's actually Veterans Day today, so it's going to be very busy on the road, as you can see.
The roads in Hawaii.
Maybe it's just the roads in Hawaii.
Near the beaches, who knows?
Anyway, so we're starting here at, I'm not even going to try and say the names of the beaches and the places we go to, but a beautiful beach here on the North Shore, and then we'll make our way down the east side of the island. Enough talking, let's explore.
Yay!
So down here, let's go to the next spot. It's not the official way to get up.
Well, I don't think there's really an official way to come down either.
I'm good. You got to get up here now.
Don't film me, this will be very non-graceful.
Non-graceful? You're on film.
Great. Hold on to your hats.
We have made it to our next stop, which is called...
Don't ask me.
Fair enough, I don't know either.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow.
That spot tick. We'll now be heading just down the coast, enjoying the view, or to a bathroom, okay. And then we're going to go to this replica of a 900-year-old Japanese temple. So guys, after many bits of driving, many stops, we have finally arrived to a beach which is swimmable. There's a ditch, in our opinion anyway. See, because in Australia we feel spoiled with our beaches because they're big long expanses of sand and beautiful water, whereas here, small expanses of sand and dumping waves, but beautiful water. Anyway, we found one spot here which we think we will like, which unfortunately ends our day or our time here in Hawaii. Oh! No, not Reggie! And spinny, and spin, and spin. And just, are you paddling? Now you're purely white, and spin, and spin. And stay. Hope you've enjoyed today. We've had some great time. We went to a couple of beaches, that makes a couple. Went to a Japanese temple, because that's what you do in Japan. Went to...
Hawaii.
Oh. See, I was so immersed in that temple, I just forgot where I was. And where else did we go? There's some lookout points. Just driving around in the Jeep with the top down. This is not calm water anymore. Just driving around with the Jeep with the top off for a little bit. Not too much because I've had melasma. So she's got a hat on. Everyone's like, what's melasma? They're gonna start Googling it. Google melasma, not like asthma. That's our slogan. Whatever. See you later. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and don't forget.
Click the like button.
Oh, you said that last time. I was wrong. I'll go ahead and do that too.
I didn't think of anything else.